let's talk about paintings. How do you decide which painting to buy? And then is painting also something, is it an emotional decision, or it's not something like that?
Uh, See, if you ask us, we curate our own paintings also. In
Okay.
fact, now we have also started uh, having our own paintings जो हम खुद ही डिज़ाइन करते हैं.
Okay.
So right from designing till framing पूरा इन हाउस होता है हमारा.
Okay.
So because see as I said उसमें भी दो ऑप्शन है, इम्पोर्टेड हो या फिर तुम आर्टिस्ट से बनवा के लो. आर्टिस्ट से बनवा के लेने जितना भी बजट नहीं है तो वी हैव आवर ओन डिजाइंस
Okay.
which we can print it as per your size. Customization we offer all kind of customization.
Okay.
So वो हम करके देते हैं. बट अभी जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है मोस्टली इट्स एब्स्ट्रैक्ट,
Okay.
especially in modern contemporary setup which I just mentioned. So mostly people are going for abstract paintings or traditional बहुत कम. That's what we have seen, especially in paintings. If you ask me statement of pieces like artifacts or all, people still think of vintage and those pieces. But paintings, we have not seen that much traction on vintage this thing. Mostly abstract hota hai, or if it's Vastu, 7 horses, lotus, lovebirds, those kind of paintings. But now what people are also doing is they will give us the, for example, any link or whatever, or if they don't have, we suggest we have our own catalog. हम वो प्रिंट करवाते हैं एंड वी गेट इट टच अप बाय आर्टिस्ट.
Okay.
सो अगर इतना बजट नहीं है कि पूरा आर्टिस्ट से करवाओ तो टू गिव दैट 3D इफेक्ट, हैंड पेंटेड फील, वी ऑल्सो गेट इट डन फ्रॉम द आर्टिस्ट. सो वो थोड़ा बजट फ्रेंडली भी हो जाता है and it serves the purpose also.
That's
But I think especially nowadays designers only put those paintings in the 3D. So somewhere it has become easy for us to sell because वो 3D में clients को देख के एक आदत हो जाती है. For example, behind sofa they see that there is a set of 3 paintings.
Yeah.
So when you have everything set up, you will think कुछ empty लग रहा है. So then you will come to the store or you will ask your designer and you will get it. So nowadays it has started becoming more of a natural purchase. पहले ऐसे था कि बहुत सोच के कोई जाएगा लेगा. But nowadays these things are coming naturally to people who is either doing their home for the first time or even renovating for that matter. लोग सोचते हैं कि ये चीज़ें ज़रूरी है घर के लिए अभी.
ये आप सोचने लगे क्योंकि 3D भी देखते हैं लोग, उसके बाद
Yes.
3D में पेंटिंग्स होते हैं, आर्टिफैक्ट्स होते हैं,
Yeah.
और वो जब असली में दिखते नहीं उनको तो उनको मिसिंग लगते हैं.
Yes. And the thing is now in designs also, you see that there is a dedicated space. Designers create dedicated space for artifacts and all.
Yeah.
पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले it was always about wardrobe है, bed है, side table है. It was all necessity.
Yeah.
कि क्या क्या ज़रूरी है उतना. But
Yeah.
nowadays in designing itself, they highlight.
Okay.
They put those products. So when client approves that, somewhere they know that we are going to need all of these things or these things will beautify my place. So then वो naturally थोड़ा थोड़ा it's possible कि वो सब एक साथ ना ले, but धीरे धीरे वो लेते हैं. I think. Yeah.
उनको मालूम पड़ जाता है कि इसकी भी जरूरत है अच्छा
And they
दिखने के लिए.
see nowadays people have started traveling so much. Now
Yeah.
people travel. पहले वो भी नहीं होता था. People travel across India, across the world. So they see lot of things कि क्या कहाँ पे कैसे presentation है. So see at the end सब कोई घर एक बार बनाता है. They want to have all unique things in their
100%,
home.
yeah.
So they think. पहले it was never we never used to think through the entire process. घर चाहिए, घर में ले लिया. पर रहने के लिए ये सब चीज़ें चाहिए, ले ली. अभी लोग सोचते हैं, they spend enough time in all these things. So yeah, it's good. Yeah.
That people spend time here in the
Yes,
showroom.
yes, yes.
That's great.